If you're a man over 60, this may surprise you. Some of the fruits you've been told are healthy may quietly be working against your blood sugar, your digestion, and even your heart. Not because fruit is bad, but because your body has changed with age. Today, I'll show you 4 fruits men over 60 should avoid or strictly limit, and 4 fruits you should be eating regularly to protect your health, energy, and circulation. No fear. No extremes. Just clear, medically grounded guidance you can actually use. Before we head into the method, take a moment to comment where you're watching from, hit the like button, and share this video so it can reach more men who need to see this. Stay with me, because the reason behind these choices matters far more than the list itself. 1. Fruit juice. Fruit juice removes fiber, and fiber is what protects your blood sugar. Without fiber, sugar enters the bloodstream very quickly. That leads to insulin spikes, energy crashes, and stronger cravings later. In fact, a large study published in the British Medical Journal in 2013 found that each daily serving of fruit juice was associated with a 21% higher risk of developing type 2 diabetes, while whole fruit lowered risk. Beyond blood sugar, fruit juice can negatively affect circulation in several ways. It may increase triglycerides, raise oxidative stress, reduce nitric oxide production, and worsen arterial stiffness, all of which strain blood flow. Over time, this can contribute to poor circulation, higher blood pressure, endothelial dysfunction, and even erectile difficulties, making whole fruit a far safer choice for men over 60. Instead of a glass of juice, stick to 1 small orange, half a grapefruit, or a handful of berries. These provide fiber, antioxidants, and steady energy without spiking blood sugar. If you crave juice in the morning, try adding a handful of berries to water or sparkling water with lemon. You get flavor, hydration, and blood sugar stability without the negative effects. This simple change protects your blood sugar, circulation, and even erectile function, helping your body perform better after 60. Even natural or freshly squeezed juice behaves more like soda in the body, especially as we age. But fruit juice is just the beginning. The next 3 fruits may seem harmless or even healthy, but for men over 60, they can quietly stress blood sugar, digestion, and circulation in ways you might not expect. Let's break them down one by one. 2. Overripe bananas. As bananas ripen, much of their starch converts into sugar. For men over 60, this can lead to faster glucose spikes that stress the pancreas, higher insulin demand, which can affect energy balance, and less sustained energy, leaving you feeling fatigued faster. Beyond blood sugar, these rapid sugar spikes can impact circulation and vascular health, which over time may contribute to reduced blood flow and even erectile difficulties. Bananas aren't forbidden, but very ripe bananas should be occasional, not daily. If you want the sweet flavor, try a slightly firm banana or pair a ripe one with a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt. This slows sugar absorption and protects both your blood sugar and circulation. The next fruit may seem harmless, but it can quietly raise sugar and strain circulation more than most men realize. 3. Dried fruits. Raisins, dates, and dried mango may seem like convenient snacks, but they are extremely concentrated in sugar and very easy to overeat. They also lack water, which normally helps slow digestion and regulate blood sugar. For men over 60, this combination can act like a blood sugar stress test, causing rapid glucose spikes that strain the pancreas and energy balance. Beyond blood sugar, these spikes can negatively affect circulation, increasing oxidative stress and reducing nitric oxide production. Over time, this can contribute to poor blood flow and even erectile difficulties. Dried fruits aren't forbidden, but they should be eaten very sparingly, and ideally paired with protein or healthy fats to slow sugar absorption and protect both circulation and overall energy. The next fruit may be one of the most commonly eaten tropical favorites, but for men over 60, it can quietly overwhelm your system if not eaten carefully. 4. Large portions of tropical fruits. Mangoes, pineapples, and papaya are very nutritious, but they are also high in natural sugars. For men over 60, eating large portions can easily overwhelm glucose control. causing blood sugar spikes that stress the pancreas and circulation. Over time, this can contribute to reduced blood flow and even erectile difficulties. Tropical fruits aren't off limits, but keep portions small and consider pairing them with protein or nuts. This slows sugar absorption and helps protect both your blood sugar and circulation. If you found value so far, show your support by subscribing. It's the best way to let us know we're creating content that truly helps. And it also keeps you in the loop whenever we share new health tips designed to keep you stronger and healthier for longer. Now, let's move to the fruits you should be eating. These choices support blood flow, gut health, and metabolic stability, making them ideal for men over 60. 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are low in sugar, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants that protect your blood vessels. Research shows that men who ate at least 3 servings of berries per week had a 32% lower risk of developing heart disease. Journal of Nutrition, 2015. For men over 60, these compounds help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support healthy circulation. Berries also improve circulation by reducing arterial stiffness, lowering blood pressure, and enhancing nitric oxide production, which helps widen blood vessels. They reduce oxidative stress, support healthy cholesterol levels, protect the endothelium, and improve capillary function, all of which promote steady blood flow. Over time, these effects can help maintain erectile function, support heart health, and keep overall vascular performance strong. For maximum benefit, aim for 1 small bowl, about cup, of berries per day, ideally eaten fresh or frozen without added sugar. You can enjoy them plain, with Greek yogurt, or blended into a smoothie with a handful of nuts, which helps slow sugar absorption and boost circulation benefits. With consistent daily intake, most men may start noticing improvements in energy, blood sugar stability, and circulation within 2 to 4 weeks, while longer-term vascular and erectile benefits typically develop over 6 to 8 weeks. A small daily portion of berries is one of the easiest and most effective fruit habits you can build to support both metabolic and vascular health. But berries are only the beginning. The next fruit looks simple, but for men over 60, it plays a powerful role in gut health, blood sugar control, and long-term circulation in ways most people overlook. 2. Apples. With the skin. Apples, especially when eaten with the skin, contain pectin, a soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria and helps stabilize blood sugar. Instead of causing sharp glucose spikes, apples slow sugar absorption, keeping insulin levels steadier, something that becomes increasingly important after 60. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2012 found that regular apple consumption was associated with a 23% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. For men over 60, this translates into better metabolic control, reduced inflammation, and stronger support for healthy circulation. Apples also benefit circulation by improving cholesterol balance, protecting the blood vessel lining, reducing oxidative stress, and supporting nitric oxide activity. Together, these effects help maintain steady blood flow and can play a supportive role in preserving erectile function over time. For best results, eat 1 medium apple per day, always with the skin, ideally between meals or paired with a small source of protein like nuts or yogurt. This combination further slows sugar absorption and enhances vascular benefits. With consistent intake, many men notice better digestion and more stable energy within 1 to 2 weeks, while improvements in circulation and vascular support typically build over 4 to 6 weeks. 1 apple a day remains excellent advice, especially after 60, when stability matters more than stimulation. And next is a fruit most men overlook, yet it directly supports blood flow at a cellular level and plays a unique role in male vitality. 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate supports nitric oxide production, which is critical for healthy circulation. Nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and widen, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach the heart, brain, and other vital tissues, something that naturally declines with age. Research published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences in 2005 showed that pomegranate juice significantly improved blood flow and reduced arterial plaque buildup. Other studies have found improvements in endothelial function, which plays a direct role in maintaining strong circulation and male vitality. For men over 60, better nitric oxide availability supports heart health, brain function, and erectile performance, since all three depend on steady, flexible blood vessels. Pomegranate also reduces oxidative stress, lowers inflammation, and helps protect the lining of the arteries, creating long-term vascular support rather than short-term stimulation. For best results, use cup of whole pomegranate seeds per day, or a small serving of unsweetened pomegranate extract or juice, ideally with a meal to avoid blood sugar spikes. Whole seeds are preferred because they provide fiber along with the active compounds. With consistent use, many men notice improvements in circulation and stamina within 2 to 3 weeks, while deeper benefits to vascular health and male performance typically build over 4 to 8 weeks. Pomegranate is one of the few fruits that directly targets blood flow at the vessel level, making it especially valuable after 60. And next is a fruit you've probably eaten your whole life. But when used the right way, it quietly supports cholesterol balance, circulation, and long-term heart health. 4. Citrus fruits, whole, not juiced. Oranges, grapefruit, and lemons provide powerful benefits for men over 60, but only when eaten whole, not juiced. Citrus fruits contain soluble fiber, especially pectin, which helps blunt blood sugar spikes and supports healthy cholesterol balance, two key factors for protecting circulation as we age. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2014 found that regular citrus consumption was associated with a 19% lower risk of cardiovascular disease, largely due to improvements in lipid profiles and vascular function. For older men, this translates into steadier blood flow and less strain on the arteries. Citrus fruits also support circulation by reducing inflammation, improving endothelial function, enhancing nitric oxide activity, and lowering arterial stiffness. These effects help maintain consistent blood flow to the heart, brain, and pelvic region, which plays an important role in long-term male vitality and erectile health. For best results, eat one whole citrus fruit per day, such as a medium orange or half a grapefruit. Lemons can be added to water or meals, but the goal is to consume the fiber along with the juice. Avoid citrus juice on its own, as removing the fiber changes how the sugar affects your body. With consistent intake, many men notice improved digestion and steadier energy within 1 to 2 weeks, while cholesterol balance and circulation benefits typically build over 4 to 6 weeks. Citrus fruits, when eaten whole, are a simple but powerful way to support heart health, blood flow, and metabolic stability after 60. If this explanation is helping you understand your body better, tap like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from. This channel focuses on calm, proven strategies, not trends, not fear, just what actually works as the body ages. At any age, your food choices still matter. But after 60, precision beats restriction. You don't need to fear fruit. You just need to choose wisely. In the next video, I'll show you the best time of day to eat fruit to protect blood sugar and improve sleep, something most people get completely wrong. Until then, take care of your body. It's still working for you.